What are you eating?
It is rice.
It is rice?
Baba's rice.
Is your plate big enough? No, you need a bigger plate, more rice?
Yeah. Get more rice.
Is that saffron rice? Baba cooked it?
Yes.
You like
For
it?
you. I made it for you. You know that? Just for you.
Eating.
You're eating? Mmm. You must be Persian.
Okay. Potato was in it. I wanted to eat the potato.
Bubble was in it.
Wow.
Thank you, my love.